Good day. This is my project for CMPG323. To begin with, I would like to say thank you to Ms. Chantel for providing us with a lot of necessary information that we've needed to go through with the project. Although I have really experienced a lot of errors, but I managed to fix some, but then I didn't manage to fix some of the errors. To begin with, I have my IntelliJ IDE open, as this is the software that we were using to develop our project, and it's the first time I'm using this, so it's kind of great to be able to learn new technologies over and over again. And then, as Miss Chantel showed us, the how the project should actually look like, where we have one folder and the other folder containing the dependencies of the other folder, and just like that, we have the I have that here. I have my account system domain, account system logic, account system repository, translator, and the web spring boot. Yes. And then, on my right hand side here, I have all of all of my account systems here, but this is where I see all of my dependencies and life cycles of um, every system, basically. Yes. And to begin with, what was expected from us for the project is that we should create a reward system where a member is able to uh, add miles to their account, view the miles, and then subtract the miles by spending them, basically. And uh, then the account should be able to update the miles that are currently there, if the member maybe spent like miles. And then, yeah. So, to begin the project, we should start by building the yes, we should basically start by building the project, which is how Miss Chantel showed us. Is we go to the life cycle here, and then we do a clean build, and then we install. Basically, this is how Maven gets to have all of the versions that are installed within the project, all of the uh, Spring Boot framework, the Swagger, and the Maven itself, like the wall plugins and everything. Yes, this is basically how it builds without any errors, as you can see. And then, uh, yes, if I go to my main dependency, I mean my main POM file, which is here, we can see all of the versions that I've included here, including the POM version, which is the 1.0 snapshot, is actually included in my main POM, which is over here. And then here is my Spring framework version for this project. And then, yes, I have my other dependencies, which is now my Swagger dependency. And yeah, this is everything that is there. And I also have Spring Fox, JUnit, and everything else. Yes. And then after that, we are supposed to build the project so that we can run it on a web browser, basically, using our local host and the port 8090, so that we can know, so that we can be able to add our miles, or update our miles, or view our miles, basically. and how we do that. uh, Before I do that, actually, let me just show all of my classes here. Yes, these are all of my classes for the whole of the project. And if I go to my POM file for the Spring Boot, we can see that we have everything else that we need there. As I mentioned, Swagger is here, Spring Fox, and everything else. And uh, in my code, I have my REST application. We have the Swagger configuration code where we config and prepare for documentation. Yeah, using Swagger. Um, Most importantly, I think my video is it's going to be cut short because um couldn't get over one error. Okay, not one error, but I couldn't get over this error, and I think that's what's preventing my whole program from running. So if I click here and run my application, we can see that it's starting completely fine, and then it until I have this error here. I've been trying to fix this, but time is no longer on my side. I cannot get over this error at this point. So it basically means that I'm not able to run my project on my uh, local host. As I can show you, if I go to my browser and then if I search localhost, which is this this URL, basically my project is unable to run on here because of that error. So this is basically where I am stuck. Thank you.